Cloud computing has become an essential part of every business's strategy, and companies big and small are using the cloud in some or the other way to enhance their competence. This begs the question, who exactly is helping them with this? Cloud architects. Hello and welcome to Simplilearn's Cloud Architect Master's Program. Cloud architects are IT specialists who have the skills and knowledge to navigate complex cloud environments, lead teams, develop and implement cloud strategies, and ensure cloud systems stay up to date and run smoothly. Fortunately for you, they're a rare breed, and that's why they're in such demand, with companies going all out and paying cloud architects average salaries of $129,000 US. Is our Cloud Architect program the right choice for you? Our Cloud Architect Master's program is aligned with AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud platforms, and provides you with world-class training and skills required to be successful. The program offers extensive training to master the architectural principles and services of the top cloud platforms, design and deploy highly scalable, fault-tolerant applications with exposure to over 40+ in-demand skills and 25+ services. What makes this program different? Our master's programs are specifically role-aligned and helps develop skills for real career growth with capstone projects in 3 domains and 16+ real-life projects as you learn. This program is a great choice for both new and experienced professionals. Other key benefits of the program: learn from experts active in the field, work on real-world problems, get 24/7 learning support, learn with live virtual sessions. Don't miss out on a great career opportunity. Join the Cloud Architect Master's Program today.